Hello, this is Peter Baker. Now, I'm a busy voiceover artist, and because I'm stuck in a little voice booth in my working day, when I exercise, it has to be efficient. So that's why when I walk, I use Nordic walking poles, where I can walk much faster than normal and widen my stride, keeping stability. Now, these things are also great because they keep your posture erect, because you're walking looking at the horizon rather than looking down and looking at your feet, worried about potholes. Now, using the poles gives you the stability of four legs. You don't need to worry about a foot or even one of your poles going into a dip in the ground and tripping over, because you've always got three other legs to keep you up. Also, it's a great exercise for the arms, and when they get tired, you power your legs. When your legs get tired, you can use your arms more. So here's how to use Nordic walking poles. First of all, put them behind your back in the crook of your arms, just to get a feel of how erect you can be when you're using them. It's lovely to have a nice stretch like this. You determine the length of your poles by making your arms go to 90 degrees and making them comfortable with the handles. Next, you put your hands in the loops and walk along, dragging them behind you. Then, simply move your arms like you would normally when walking to 90 degrees, and where the poles fall on the ground, gently push and off you go. I hope you enjoy using your Nordic walking poles. And if you're interested in becoming a professional voiceover like me when I'm not exercising, check out voiceovermasterclass.com.